Hi, Tech Hub. You know what? This is great. I'm glad that I just realized that my microphone wasn't on, and hopefully you can hear me okay. So what I'm on here is I'm just stopping in to talk to you about why going live might be worth your time. So if you're in a season like I am, I'm in a season of my students are transitioning out of my program because they've met their goals, and now I'm looking to kind of fill some spots. If you go live and you talk about how you help students, give helpful tips for students. You tell them about yourself. They get to know yourself. You're just opening up the doors for other possibilities. So let me just kind of tell you some things that I've done in the last week to promote these 2 open spots. So I have sent emails directly to people who have opted into things on my Convert Kit. I have gone back to former students that no longer are getting my services and just reminding them that I am available. And if they would like to share the word with others, that would be great. If they have younger siblings and they want support, that I am available. I also just held an open house last night. Now, nobody showed up. Okay. My feelings weren't hurt. As a matter of fact, I would have been surprised if somebody showed up. Not my location. I held it at a church and I really didn't give a lot of notice on it. I haven't really decided if a lot of notice or little notice is better, but I did it in between the beginning days for 2 schools, 2 local schools. And then I posted again in my story. So if you saw a lot of it, you're like, Sheryl, quit talking about that. I did it on purpose to kind of gain traction. Many people will either look at your static posts only or they'll only look at stories. I did 1 reel on it after the fact and just kind of showed that I was handing out some free books just to kind of pique interest. But I am going to go now, August 31st. I'm filming this on the 15th. Of course, I'm going to take another vacation. But after that, yes, I love my vacations. After that vacation, then I'm going to be going to something called a windmill market. It's a little bit like a farmer's market, but it's more for vendors. And I bought myself a table covering, and it's it's a expandable spandex covering, and it will cover a 6-foot table. And I put my picture, my logo with my picture on it, and then I put Tutoring with Sheryl. And then on the top, I added my scan thing. I don't know if they'll be able to scan it or not, but if they want more details, they can do that. And then I'm going to channel my inner Susan Grimes, because she said she took coloring pages and she put her information on it. And as a matter of fact, I had some of those available last night. I have some here in my bag. Let me see if I can dig them out. Let's see. I put everything back in here. So did I grab it with the pile? Yeah. So I literally I tore the pages out. They're torn. And then I ran it through my printer with my flow code. And then this is the image that will be on my table. So that's my current logo. And I was going to have those available for kids. So I'm going to, again, just go get some more coloring pages and I'll have those available. Something that I also did that the next set I'm going to put my logo on. This is not my information. I'll let parents know these are freebies. I had an old workbook and I'll say I had some old workbook pages. Would you like to have some? And then I'm going to run my little thing through again. And it's not mine. I mean, it says right on here where it came from and I'll let them know. It's just a freebie from an old resource that I had. If you'd like it, you may. I also made these are all the things I'm going to have available at the market, okay? Which means I come up with a system so things don't fly away. I think I'm going to go get some clear binders or something. I've got the I Can Read. I literally just made this on Canva. Put my website at the bottom. I had made this resource, and this is actually on Teachers Pay Teachers, roll a story. So you can roll the dice. You can create a story with the setting, the character, the problem. Then they go and they put the details in about their story, details about the setting, the character, the details about the problem. Then they use another thing to say what's going to happen at the beginning, the middle, and the end. Don't forget those details. And then I even gave them a little cube that they can make for that. And that's going to be a freebie. I don't have Tutoring with Sheryl on here, so I need to add that. So I'll probably run that back through my printer somehow. I have some basic sight words. And again, there's my website down at the bottom. And then I've got my welcome packet. And I also have, oh gosh, I have a couple of things. And I'm going to go live here in 3 minutes, so I got to get off. But I've got a reading tracker, which not a great thing for some kids, but some kids need that structure. I got my list of my child won't do their homework. Now what? And then I've got my packet. Okay, got to run. I have to go live. Are you going to go live? Let me know.